For complex shaft workpieces, measuring features at different angles requires manual rotation typically, leading to cumbersome operations, low automation, susceptibility to human error. The dual rotation worktable, equipped with DD direct drive motors, enables efficient multi-surface dimension measurement through rotation. Complex shafts, fully captured with high-precision chucks, ensures accurate clamping and reliable measurement results. Paired with telecentric optical systems for large fields of view and high-definition imaging, combined with professional telecentric lighting, the system ensures clear workpiece contours and high contrast. For long shaft workpieces, optional center support is available for effortless handling. Measurement Case 1. Cutting tools. Geometric parameter inspection. Measurement parameters: end face blade width, blade angle, side blade width. After measurement, the system automatically generates data reports. The dual rotation structure replaces traditional dual camera top and side configurations for tool measurement, enhances platform flexibility by synchronizing data acquisition for side and end faces with a unified optical system, also ensures improved data consistency and reliability. Measurement Case 2. Planetary screw shafts. Full parameter measurement. Measurement parameters: tooth crest, tooth root, base circle, common normal, major, minor, and pitch diameters, lead. Integrated professional gear analysis software for one-click export of gear-related dimensions. Precise evaluation of screw pitch diameter, lead, and other core dimensions via rotary table. Comprehensive quality assurance for screw manufacturing. Measurement Case 3. Precision thread contour measurement. Measurement parameters: pitch, major or minor or pitch diameters, thread angle. Using TZTEK's developed one-click thread measurement function, users simply frame the thread area to quickly obtain all key thread dimensions, significantly improving inspection efficiency and operational convenience. Measurement Case 4. Worm gears. Dynamic element analysis. Measurement parameters: circular runout, roundness, cylindricity, coaxiality, lead, tooth line circle, reference circle, root circle. With center fixture support, enables high-precision measurement of long shaft workpieces, effectively replaces traditional contact measurement methods for evaluating form tolerances like circular runout and roundness, significantly improves measurement efficiency.